Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have you ever wondered if your phone could perform even faster? The good news is that your device comes equipped with a hidden switch to enhance its speed. To unlock this feature, you'll need to navigate through some settings that may not be readily visible. Begin by tapping the main settings app on your home screen. Scroll down until you discover the tab named About Phone and open it. Once you're in About Phone, your next destination is hidden within Software Information. Dig deeper by tapping on this option. Here, a unique sequence awaits. Repeatedly tap the build number until a confirmation message announces that developer mode has been activated. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for unlocking your phone's potential. Returning to the main settings menu, if you scroll just a bit more, you will find a newly available tab called Developer Options. Delve into this section, where a treasure trove of settings awaits. With gentle scrolling, keep your eyes peeled for a specific option. System Tracking. Select it to begin the configuration process. Within System Tracking, two critical settings must be adjusted for optimal performance. Start by toggling off the option labeled Trace Debuggable Applications. Next, tap on Per CPU Buffer Size and select the first option to maximize your device's memory allocation. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your device's performance, making your mobile experience smoother and more efficient. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.